Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our last video, we have discussed about introduction to operating system. If you have not seen, you can catch here. Link is in description box. And in this video, we are going to discuss about some of the functions of operating system. This video is part 1. Now let us start. CPU management. It is also called as process management. When the program is processed by the CPU, at the time onwards, the program is referred as a process. That means the program is in execution. And in early computers, CPU supported only one process or one program at a time. But nowadays, in computers, we are having the new features. So, CPU supports multiple processors at a time. And also, even one program can have multiple processors associated with it. So, CPU will execute all or multiple processors simultaneously. Generally, user will be working on number of processors. So, which process will be executed first or which process will be executed for how much time, and allocating a process to processor or removing a process from the processor, etc. All these are managed by the operating system. Booting a system. Booting means loading an operating system into the computer's main memory or RAM. Once the operating system is loaded, for example, on a laptop, you can see the initial Windows screen. Then it is ready for the users to run the applications. So, to boot the system or to start the system, we need to run set of startup programs like transistor programs, monitor programs, BIOS, debugging, and device driver programs are stored on factory programmer ROM. At that time only, the operating system will be loaded. Already we have discussed about this RAM and ROM in our previous videos. I will provide the link in description box. If you are interested, you may go through that. Let us continue. Here we have two types of booting, cold boot and warm boot. Cold boot is the process when the computer is switched on. That means whenever you switch on the system, then the operating system will be loaded. Warm boot is the process when the computer is restarted. That means whenever the system is triggered, then you will restart the system, right? Then basing on this booting process, the operating system will be loaded. Disk management is about how the surface of the disk is divided into number of tracks and sectors, and how you format your hard disk, and also are there any sectors which are not suitable for storing your data, etc. All these things you can identify under this disk management. I.O management is responsible for managing all the hardware devices of the computer system. This management can be done with the help of device drivers and device controllers. Device driver is a software that controls or operates a particular type of device that is attached to a computer. For example, if we want to connect a monitor or a printer to the computer, to work with these we need to have monitor drivers or printer drivers. Whereas, device controller is a hardware that handles the incoming and outgoing signals of the CPU. So, whatever we have the I.O devices, all are managed by the operating system. This is about I.O management of an operating system. And in our next video, we will discuss some more functions of the operating system. In this video, if you learn something, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.